Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today's video is my February 2024 Order Club card kit. It features the Just Chicken In stamp and thin cut. We are using this image here of the flowers. I don't know if the thin cuts are still available or not, but the stamp will definitely be available through the month of March. This is the March stamp of the month. So this is what the card looks like. It is a top folding card, so it stands like so. This is what it looks like. It features honey bunny paper. We have honey butter ink, and honey butter and bunny somehow get mixed up in my brain. So I'm going to show you what will come in your kit. This is what it will look like. Your flowers will look just like this. I am not coloring them for you. You can color them however you would like. Ooh, we're getting stuck here. So the card base is your typical 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card base. Piece of black cardstock. This is 4 by 5 1/4. Then you have your little floral image. We have 4 inches wide. Double, triple check here. No, this is 3 3/4 by 1 1/2 inches. Might even be 2 of those. Yes, so there are 2 pieces that are 3 3/4 by 1 1/2 inches. Then this is a 3 3/4 piece, and it is a 1 inch piece. And then this is also 3 3/4, and it is 1/2 inch, and this is actually the branding strip. So this is that zip strip, that bonus pattern at the top of the piece of cardstock. So we're going to get started here. I'm going to attach these. I am using my ATG gun. Kind of got things disheveled here. I am going to eyeball. So this is the piece that I'm putting at the top, and then this little piece is going down at the bottom. And I'm doing that, the top and the bottom, because it will make it easier for me to get the spacing looking a little more even with these 2 remaining pieces. If I try to just go straight down the card, I will end up with a big, huge gap by the time I get to the bottom. That is just how it works in the world of Barb. I hope everyone is doing okay. We had a strange weather day today. Weatherman said it's going to rain, and it snowed. And then it rained. Okay, so I'm just centering this, just eyeballing it. Not going to get crazy. I did put some sketchy lines around here, and I like how that looks. So I am going to add the sketchy lines. So I'm just tracing around each piece of pattern paper. It can be a little wiggly and squiggly, or if you prefer, you can get out your ruler and you can be very precise with it. Either way would look just fine. I don't mind if it's a little wibbly, so that's how I'm doing it. But I think it just adds a little something to that pattern paper. Okay, And I'm going to just do 3 little dashes up there, and then along this side, and then maybe over on this side, and then some at the bottom. I'm just kind of trying to space them out. I do have the flowers here, and I am going to use, these are the Spectrum Noir Tri-Blend markers, and this one is called the Light Green Blend. I think I'm going to use the darkest just to do a little coloring at the base. I'm not going to go crazy with it. Sort of being sketchy with it. And I'm going to move to the medium of the colors and finish filling in. Doesn't have to be perfect coverage. You know, it is what it is. Sometimes I get confused on these images and I start coloring in something that's supposed to be a flower petal. You know how that goes. Here we have goldy yellow blend. So I am going to put some of this darkest color in. I'm going to hit the middle here and where the 2 petals kind of come together, and then I'm tracing over these lines. Kind of fast and quick, not going to take a ton of time to work on this. And it will be fine no matter what I do here. These would be lovely with colored pencils or with my, favorite ink out of the lid of my ink pads, and I use a shimmer brush or a water brush to pick that up and do some coloring. That would also look lovely. I'm going to move to the medium color. I'm going to just start filling in a little bit. Squeaky, squeaky marker sound. Sorry if that bugs you. And just filling in a little bit. And then I will go to the lightest of the 3 colors. And I like how this gives a little bit of depth to the images. I love the Tri-Blend markers. They are available on Amazon. You can go into Amazon and get them, and other places as well. You can get them online. So even though close to my heart will no longer be selling these, you can still pick them up and it will be just fine. I'm going to take a little bit of the clear shimmer brush and I'm just going to give these little flowers and some leaves some shimmery goodness. Now I also have, it says have a lovely Easter, and it is from a different stamp set. It is from this Spring Bunnies. This is sold out right now, but I think it said they were going to be getting more in. So have a lovely Easter. I've got that on a block, and I'm going to use some, oh, you guys know I love my Versafine Onyx Black Ink. So we're going to ink this up. And we're going to put it on the bottom here. And I'm going to use that pink peachy area as my guide. Eyeball center. Oh, that looks nice. I'm glad of that. Then I'm going to pop this up. I've got a roll of some foam tape. This I think I got off of Amazon. It's really thin. I like it. Of course, you could just glue this down flat. You don't have to pop it up. And this is a card design that you can do with any paper. Card design, you can use any stamped images. This is very easy to adapt. And it uses up scraps. I love that. I love when I can use up the bits and pieces that are left. Okay, we'll pull the release paper off the back of the foam adhesive. Oh, this would be so much easier if I had nails, but I don't. That's because I play the piano. It keeps me from growing them long. And I'm going to center it, put it right above the E in the Easter, and just pop it on there. Just like that. And then we'll put this on the front of our card base. And that's all there is to the assembly of my February 2024 Order Club card kit. There it is. I think it's lovely, and it would be a lovely Easter card to send to someone. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I will see you next time.